smoking on the black top. Let's go.
This is how we doing it for you guys, you know? We're doing everything for the DriftTweakers.
Yo, see.
I ain't fucked up. We needed flavors, yo. You feel me? We trying to get flavors in. I got this fucking watermelon, lime, some shit.
So where do we put it in the rig? He put his protein in the rig, guys.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Yo, Steve pulled up, man. He got the V8 now. What happened? Man's just had the V6. Y'all, he upgraded. This shit fire. And we gonna show you how it sounds too. Man, this is it. Already know we getting it in at PF. I'm about to go show you some more of the car after getting that work in, man.
By summertime, we'll be up there.
Yeah, man. Y'all say it. Ooh, that bitch getting frisky. Nah, man, don't lose it. Y'all see it, man. This the SS. Congrats, my brother. Wow, man. That LS3 putting in work. Just let y'all hear this. This bitch wild, y'all. Just muffler and resonator delete right now, guys. He gonna do the headers soon. Alright, y'all. This is what it looks like underneath. What's the mods, man, so far? Tell them.
Shit, just the can, man. So that's about it. Headers coming out.
Alright, you guys can see it, just the K&N intake right here. Fuck them stock headers. Long twos, right? All day? Yeah. What is up, DriftTweakers? So we got something going on today. I'm chilling in the whip right now. It's raining, season PF. So we about to teach C how to drive manual today, guys. Out here in the rain, in this parking lot, we're about to teach him. So he knows the basics and what gears, and you know, he's not that much of a newbie, but we're gonna try to teach him and see how he can do it today. And I know it's not the best weather conditions today, guys, but still, we got some space right now. We want to see how he does. All right, y'all, it's C's big day, man. You never drove manual before, right? Never before?
Yo, C's giving me the honors to like teach me how to drive manual right now. So, you know, we're gonna get out here and you know, we about to start tweaking.
Yeah. So guys, basically I gave him the rundown without driving yet. We're about to see what he can do. Alright, so see, basically I gave you the rundown, right?
Yeah.
So when you're ready to go, put your foot on the brake, which is the middle. Put your foot on the brake. Alright, just like a normal car. Put that down. Yep. So what you're gonna do with your left foot, push the clutch all the way to the floor. All the way down. As hard as you can. You gotta push it all the way to the floor. Move your seat up if you can't. Alright, so clutch on the floor. You got the e-brake down. Alright, so look, you know how to get in first gear. Keep the clutch where it's at. Put it in first. Up. Alright, good. So now what you're gonna do is take your right foot, take it off the brake. Okay? Your right foot. Now put it on the gas pedal. Slowly give it gas and let off the clutch too. Oh yeah! Okay, so let the clutch all the way out. Let it all the way out. You're in first gear. Stay in first gear. Don't go to second. We're gonna get you comfortable in first. You gotta make this turn, alright? Just keep going like a normal car. Take this turn. That was, hey! First try, he got it. Little Bucky, but man. Okay, no stalling. Alright, so what you're gonna do, push the clutch all the way in and put it in second. No, keep your speed up. You gotta keep your speed up. Push the clutch in, put it in second. You're not doing it.
You gotta really push it down?
Yeah, you gotta go straight down. But you gotta push the clutch in to shift it though. You gotta learn how to shift gears. Alright, ready? Take your foot off the gas. What are you doing? Bro, no, you gotta take your foot off the damn gas pedal. What are you doing?
So,
bro, Yes, exactly how you do it last time. You gotta push the clutch down.
Put it on first.
Yeah.
Slowly give it gas.
Yeah. Make sure it's in gear. You're not pushing the clutch all the way down, bro. You're not even touching the floor. You gotta touch the floor every time. Too much gas, too much gas. All right, guys, so I just hopped back in the driver's seat. I showed him what he needs to do. But before we even get going, let's run through the gears real quick. Push the clutch all the way into the floor. Testing the gears real quick. So go first. No, that's third. That's first. Now go straight down. Second. Up to the right. That's third. Go all the way up. All the way up. Make sure the clutch is all the way down. Now straight down. That's fourth. Now up and to the right. That's fifth. Now straight down to the right. That's sixth. All right, good. Now put it in neutral. Go like this. You know you're in neutral. All right, good. So now, put it in first gear. Now get going smooth. Give it about right where it's about 2. Just start it, bro. Start it. You gotta give the car gas. Just like a normal car. What do you do in an automatic when you take off? You give it gas. Stop thinking about the damn clutch and just give it gas and let off the clutch slowly. Shift a second and then give it more gas. Okay, there you go. That was rough. You're letting the clutch out way too fast. But you shift a second. So guys, you got the shift down. Now keep driving. Just keep driving in second for a little bit. Matter of fact, don't do anything with the gears or shifting. Just drive the car around just get a feel for the car. And then, I mean, pretty much you're not going to want to get to third in this parking lot. But there you go, y'all. We just basically taught Seed. So he knows how to do it. He just has to get smooth at it. That's why, bro, you should just buy a manual car. Then you can get really good on your own time, you know?
Yeah.
But we taught him how to do it.
I mean, these are the first steps of me getting a manual car and learning.
Word, good shit, Seed. Shit every day. He gonna be whipping just like his Seed. But y'all, I was really thinking on this shit. Like, I gotta get this bitch tuned soon. So it's probably gonna happen hopefully in the next week, depending on when I can get these intakes in. If no one's honestly trying to do them for a decent price, I might just attempt it myself, because I don't feel like it's that difficult, and I feel like it's something I could do. So I need to get them in before tuning day. That's 100%, because that's one of the biggest mods that's paired with the full exhaust is going to put a lot of power into this tune, and I'm really excited to see the results on this one, you guys. A little more excited than the G35, because I know it's definitely going to put out more power. Alright, y'all, so I just hit up the tuner. See, tell him what's going on. Nah, I'm gonna tell him. So y'all, we getting the G-tune next week, Tuesday. C said he's sliding. So it's gonna be pretty much like in the morning, y'all. I have to get my intakes put in the day before. That way I can drive the car all the way up until the day before, so I have something to drive around. I'm not 100% sure who's putting them in yet. It's either going to be Geo. That's pretty much who I know right now who said they can do it, but if it's anyone else, y'all will find out. I was thinking about doing it, but since everybody was saying the intakes take a little bit more work to install than just throwing them in case I don't have the correct tools for that, I'd rather take it to a shop. That way we can modify anything that needs to be cut, or, you know, I just want to get it done right, you guys, because I want to get this thing tuned. So yeah, we locked it in with J-Tune for Tuesday, so really excited. I hope y'all stay tuned for that video, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video today of C learning how to drive manual. So yeah, and then y'all seen Ski got the V8, so stay tuned for more videos on that. And yeah, we're gonna see what this tune do, so that way we can start drifting for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share these videos with your friends. Until the next episode, stay tuned.